partnering up with Razer this Christmas season and want to share with you their top gift guide for your holiday Christmas shopping. Adapt and unleash with a brand new mouse, the new Razer Naga V2 mouse that has programmable buttons, side plates, and hyper speed for all your editing this year, this holiday Christmas season. Next on my Santa's list this year, as you know, I'm very into Christmas season, and I want to share with you the new Razer Blade 14 gaming laptops that has clean and powerful, very powerful for all your gaming and, well, editing needs with this awesome laptop for you this holiday Christmas season. Check out all these must-haves from Razer this holiday season by clicking on this link and have a holly jolly Christmas season from Razer.